is, you guys. A little quick brunch. Not the highest protein, but I'll say there's probably about, I could add some hemp seeds to something and give it a little bit more of a boost. I just have to take a moment to shout these tomatoes out. These are from my mom's garden. There's no light back here. Ooh. So I'm gonna make a really quick bootleg pancone tomate. It's grated tomatoes on toast with garlic. These are so small, I can't grate these. So I'm just gonna put them in this bowl and smash them around and see what I get, and that'll be our tomato base. And that'll be good enough. Ooh. Let's try an ice cream scoop. Take business. Come out nice. So next we're gonna add in some olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and add in a ginger or something. Now I'm not really telling you how to make this specifically because there's authentic recipes out there, you know. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this Celtic salt. I'll go ahead and put some garlic in here. Yeah, let's go ahead and put a little bit. And yeah, I get it already mixed, okay? Don't make me mad. And I'm also gonna put some of this on our bread before we put it in the oven. So just a little bit. I will put a little bit more salt, but it's okay because I can just sprinkle some. This is good, and we're just gonna put this to the side. Now, I'm just gonna make my JustEgg real quick. Not much to say about that. Got a little avocado spray. Let me get my bread going. I do have some, I believe it's cilantro, but I got it from the Asian mart, and it was like Indian herbs and things like that in there, and it smells like cilantro, so I got it. I'm gonna use that. And after I eat, you guys are gonna see me in the same outfit in another 2-3 videos because I'm gonna start juicing. Fight the greedy urge to do too. It's a darn thing. I have the oven on broil because I like to get the job done. If you know anything about broil, don't you walk away. If you walk away, it's a wrap. It's crazy because I know that, but I still do. I burnt some taco shells a few days ago. Ooh. To our JustEgg, we're just gonna add some black pepper, and I have some black salt, which is Indian black calamari salt. This is a salt that I tell you guys about all the time that tastes like eggs, it smells like eggs. And I mean it, that's not the vegan blindness, that's true. Back over here, I'm not even gonna put my bread in there yet because I don't have time for the drama. A little avocado. This avocado doesn't really look the best, but it's okay. That didn't come out the way that I thought it was gonna come out. Alright, get that pot of junk out of the way. Alright, let me throw my bread in here real quick. Here's that herb I was talking about. Smells like cilantro. So I don't remember the name because I would like to be respectful. This is a lot of eggs. This is my protein, my vegan eggs. It's only 5 grams of protein per serving. I bought this the other day and I really like it. This is Trader Joe's, hopefully it's focused. This is their chili onion sprinkle seasoning blend with crispy fried onions and Szechuan pepper. Definitely has a nice kick to it. Bread which is not getting any color and it's still pale. Just oven wasn't fully preheated up to temperature. That's the only reason why it's been on that broil for that long. Because any other time it would have been burnt. Alright, so not the highest protein, but I'll say there's probably about, I could add some hemp seeds to something and give it a little bit more of a boost. to the eggs and the avocado. Yeah, I know some people make their own chickpea eggs, but I haven't done that yet. Or their own out of mung bean. I tried to find some mung bean at the Asian store I went to, but didn't have any. Well, I couldn't find it. These tomatoes have like a hint of sweetness to them.